The best gaming PC in 2020. Some will see buying the best gaming PC around to be sacrilege. Surely building it yourself is the only way to go? While building your own rig can be immensely satisfying, buying yourself the best gaming PC is also a great starting point if you're new to PC gaming, or don't want the stresses and struggles of a homebrew project. There's also the fact that while part of the innate beauty of the gaming PC is the potential for upgrading components to boost performance, that capacity is finite. There is a tipping point where it's no longer cost-effective to keep upgrading and a rebuild becomes necessary. And that's where buying the best gaming PC you can afford starts to make a lot of sense. Getting a good deal on a pre-built gaming PC can take just as much research as putting together a great. Some system builders will try to saddle you with a bundle that charges a premium for things you may not need, like overclocking, RGB, a monitor, or a keyboard and mouse. Even if you do need these things, there's often a good chance that you get something better for less. A spec sheet balance of price and performance is our top priority. Ideally, your gaming PC will have one of the though that's not always financially possible. But you can't skimp on one and go overboard on the other. An NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti is only worth having if it's paired with a top-flight processor that can take advantage of its power. Then there's the support. After-sale support is where a good system builder becomes a great system builder and is where it can really make sense to buy a pre-built machine. To get on our list of the best gaming PCs, you need to have it all: great parts, great value, and great support.